Let me share something that surprises most sellers when they first hear it. 21 cents of every dollar spent by international buyers on residential real estate in the United States flows into Florida. Not New York, not California, Florida, and by a significant margin. Your next buyer may not be driving down from Connecticut. They may be flying in from London, Toronto, or Athens. If your listing agent doesn't have the infrastructure to reach that buyer, you are not getting full market value for your property. It is as straightforward as that. I'm Vance Brinkerhoff. My partner Ben Brick and I have served Vero Beach's luxury market for over 35 years. The conversation I want to have with you today is about why the most important decision you'll make as a luxury seller is who represents you and whether they can truly reach the world. The case for Vero Beach has never been stronger internationally. Coldwell Banker just entered Greece, presenting at the Premium Real Estate Expo in Athens. Every new Coldwell Banker market is a new referral network. Every referral network is a new source of qualified buyers for your Vero Beach property. Buyers in Athens, London, Toronto, and São Paulo are now connected to the same global listing platform that carries your home, and they arrive with a specific question. Why is Vero Beach priced 66% below comparable properties in Naples? The honest answer? Vero Beach hasn't been marketed to the world the way Naples has. The quality is comparable. The lifestyle, by most measures, is superior. The price reflects market inefficiency, not product efficiency. International buyers conducting rigorous analysis understand exactly what that means. Now add the Charlotte connection. Vero Beach Regional Airport now offers daily American Airlines service into Charlotte Douglas, one of American's most critical global hubs. From Charlotte, your buyer connects non-stop to London, Frankfurt, Toronto, São Paulo, and 180 destinations beyond. Vero Beach is no longer remote. It is one flight away from the world. Here's what Ben and I bring to that equation. More than $1.2 billion in total sales volume, over 2,000 closed transactions, independently ranked by RealTrends in the top 1.5% of all realtors in the United States, named by Apple News among Florida's top 10 most trusted realtors in 2025. We operate under Coldwell Banker Global Luxury, 93,000 professionals across 50 countries. When your listing goes to market with us, it goes to market globally. That is not a marketing phrase. That is the architecture of how we work. We are also the only real estate team within 100 miles with a proprietary app on the Apple App Store, and our listings sell 40% faster than the market average as a result. For clients relocating internationally or from the Northeast, we offer a financial concierge desk. Purchasing from abroad or moving significant wealth from New York or Connecticut involves far more than a real estate transaction. Domicile establishment, banking, legal, and estate planning introductions. We coordinate that entire process personally, so you arrive in Vero Beach with everything in order. The bottom line is this. Vero Beach is one of the most compelling value propositions in global luxury real estate today. That story is reaching the world. The buyers who discover it move decisively. The only question is whether your listing is positioned to be found by the buyer in Greenwich and the buyer in Geneva alike. Ben and I would welcome a private conversation about your property and what a global marketing strategy looks like in practice. Call me at 772-913-3426. Reach Ben at 772-713-9455. Or visit FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. The world is looking at Vero Beach. Let us make certain they find you. Coldwell Banker Global Luxury, Vero Beach, Florida.